Hello, my friends. This is the video that I made on BBAI just a couple of days ago, to be precise, on September the 20th of this year, when the price of this asset was, as you can see right here, at $6.98. And my main assumption was that we were forming the five-way structure to the upside that potentially might land somewhere around $7.15. And right after that, we have to see the retracement. And guys, take a look right here. We were at this point, and since I made my previous video, this asset retested exactly $7.15, had a first reaction, retested it for the second time, and had the second reaction. And guys, I have to admit that potentially we've completed all five waves to this point, and in today's video I will show you some crucial levels that we have on the table right now from the technical standpoint. I will show you what drivers might push the price of this asset higher, and what should you do if you want to enter your position with BBAI. So guys, and if you want to know more about technical analysis, if you want to enhance your trading skills, feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel and join my Patreon account. And guys, for now, you can join my Patreon account. You can join two tiers of my Discord group. One of them costs you $50 a month, and you will have 30-minute one-on-one Zoom call once a month. But if you join with the gold tier, you will have a weekly one-on-one training session with me for just $150 a month. And guys, to be honest, this is the most popular tier for my patrons right now. And let me show you a sneak peek on the most recent activity in the Discord group. Just recently, I published the recap of the week of July 28th through August the 3rd. And let me quote you this. On Monday, I prepared a list of 13 tickers that looked most promising for short positions. As of August the 6th, 10 of them delivered returns ranging from 0.33% to 24.4%, an average profit of 6.1%, while only 3 tickers showed a potential loss between 0.85% and 1.74%, an average loss of 1.22%. More detailed information is available in the attached images. And you can see that I made this call on July 28th, and I wrote, here's a list of tickers that might present shorting opportunities. Please remember, this is not a blind trade signal. Further technical analysis is required before taking actions. And here is the list of the tickers that gained substantial profits. It is 10 of them, and only 3 went in completely opposite direction. I also gave a direct short scalping recommendation on Tesla and Oracle. Both brought an average profit of around 1.5%. In addition, I identified one ticker suitable for a medium-term short position. If you'd like to know which company that is, join my Patreon. As usual, I provided a detailed market overview and analyzed the following tickers: SPY, BBAI, NOV, UNP, NEO, UAA, and CRWV. So guys, if you want to be a part of this amazing community, join my Patreon.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
So, and first of all, let's take a look at some fundamentals. I want to pay attention to the general sentiment related to the BBAI stock, and to do so, you have to type in Google search bar BBAI stock and switch to News tab folder, and you can find several recent news. I have to admit that some of them grabs my attention. One is this one, the first one that was published on September 22nd on some testylife.com website, and it says BigBear.ai explained why the stock is running and what could go wrong. And here are the bullet points. BigBear.ai is up 90% in the last 30 days and 339% in the last year. They have made headlines recently after their biometric identity system was implemented in Nashville International Airport. And this news was the reason of this bounce to the upside that I predicted basically to the tick in my previous, in one of my previous videos. Next one, let me quote to this. While the recent rally and future growth prospects are undeniable, investors still have a number of reasons to remain cautious. And guys, the main reason why investors are still quite cautious is that regardless of their new installed system in Nashville Airport, they have to improve their fundamentals. And as you can see, earnings and guidance tell a different story. While retail and insider investors share a bullish sentiment for BBAI, institutional investors remain unsold. This pessimistic outlook stems from BigBear's fundamentals, which do not align with its recent aggressive growth. And guys, it is very difficult to argue with this statement. You know that partially BigBear.ai has a retail-driven sentiment as a meme stock, and unfortunately for now, guys, you cannot find this stock in the most active section on stocktweets.com website, and you cannot find it on the watchers section of the same exact website as well. You can see there is no BigBear.ai. That is why potentially the momentum is fading out for the stock, and that is why you have to be cautious with your long position. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, you know that I caught this bottom for this asset, and I told you that from this level it has to hit the price target of about $8.65. This price target is still on the table, but we have to see the retracement from the current price, potential retracement from the current price. And you might wonder, how do I know about this? Let me show you this. From the Elliott wave perspective, this asset completed or almost completed all 5 waves. We can count wait a second, we can count this as the bottom of the 4th wave, and this might be the top of the 5th wave. If so, guys, this might be the retracement ABC to the downside. That is the entire retracement for this movement from this bottom to this top. And if I pull the Fib retracement tool to project the levels where this asset could land, you can see that it perfectly hit and broke 0.236, but it didn't reach 0.382. Technically speaking, it is enough for the retracement in terms of the price action, but it is not enough in terms of the time. And that is why, guys, potentially this might be option number 2. We might have this is our A wave, this is our B wave, and in slightly bigger scale, we have to see another leg to the downside that potentially will land somewhere again around $6.23, somewhere here. But everything will be known and will be much clearer if this asset breaks either this top of $7.15. In this case, guys, this will be a confirmation of its retracement, and in this case, the next price target is still on the table of $8.65. Otherwise, if it is an ABC correction, we have to see longer consolidation phase, but at the end of the day, we might see another leg to the upside, but it will happen a little bit later and probably from the lower levels, lower than even $6.23, probably from around $6 or $5.93. Everything will be known a little bit later, and I will do another update to project some price targets when the market reveals itself. In general, I have to admit that this double top pattern is not so bullish, unfortunately, and that is why without the news like we had back in, wait a second, I will show you, back in September the 10th about the Nashville Airport, I believe this asset will have some problems to achieve this goal of $8.65. That is why, guys, be cautious with your long position, wait for the potential deeper retracement, and yes, wait for my next video. And if you like my video, please hit the like button and see you later. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gone live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad.